Lacson nagtataka na walang pumalag. Senado binuljak sa blank budget. Kinwestiyon ni dating Senador Panfilo, Ping Lacson, kung bakit walang nagtatangka sa Senado na siyasatin ang issue ng blank budget sa 2025 General Appropriations Act, GAA. Ayon kay Lacson, dati nang ginawa ang black appropriations sa Bicameral Conference Committee kaya vineto ito ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Digong Duterte sa 2019 GAA matapos palagan ng liderato ng Senado sa pamumuno noon ni dating Senate President Vicente Tito Soto Duterte. The BICAM report on the 2025 budget that reportedly contained blank appropriations and was signed by the Bicameral Conference Committee members looks like a repeat of the 2019 General Appropriations Act when former President Rodrigo Duterte vetoed P95.3 billion upon the then Soto-led Senate's strong representation after we discovered anomalous entries in the printed enrolled bill that were not reflected in our ratified BICAM report. Ani Lacson. But the big difference now is, it seems nobody among the pre-sent senators dared or cared to scrutinize the budget documents. Hence, this controversy now brewing. Dagdag ng dating senador na nagsabi pang dapat ipaliwanag ito sa mga Filipino taxpayer. Anya, maaaring makita ang blank appropriation kung susuriin ang enrolled bill na inimprenta ng Kamara de Representantes at ikumpara ito, ratified BICAM report. Dito, makikita kung sino umano ang salarin. Unless we examine the enrolled bill that Congress transmitted to Malacanang, we can't determine yet who filled in those blanks. House of Representatives or Malacanang. A BICAM report cannot be amended. It is only subject to being ratified or rejected by either or both houses. Ani Lacson. If the enrolled bill is different from the ratified BICAM report, the HOAR being in charge of the printing should explain, as in the case of the heavily vetoed 2019 GAA. If the enrolled bill still contained the blank spaces, the burden shifts to the executive branch, particularly the Department of Budget and Management.
I apologize, pero para sa akin, hindi ka tanggap-tanggap eh. NARI is a supplier. Ibig sabihin, contractor ng NGCP yan. Hanggang ngayon, binabayaran nyo yan. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi nyo imbitahan. And they will say, kung hindi kayo mag-appear dito, tigil na namin bayad, kuha na kami ng iba.
So, again, no?
Yeah,
pero I couldn't understand bakit ang sagot ni attorney, hindi niya kaya imbitahin. Eh, meron palang working relationship sila.
Attorney, that's why, with the answer of our technical partner, Mr. Chairman, we will endeavor that a representative from, if we can, NARI, will attend the next hearing.
Ang cellphone natin to iPhone, this is the hardware. But this is run by a software, iOS.
Following your statement that NARI is the iOS of SCADA,
Opo.
would it be correct to say that this system can be controlled remotely,
100%
similar
po.
to my Apple
100% po,
phone?
pwede. Because there was already, may nangyari na po eh, na may nasira noon. It was repaired remotely. From China, hindi po kailangan bumahin ng technician para pumunta rito tayusin pa yung nasira. In fact, when we do the research, lumabas sa website nila noong December 2019, lumabas doon sa website nila na sinasabi pa nila na 100% they control the power grid of the Philippines. Ako po natatakot. Bumubulong ako kay Chair mo na hindi na lang yung pera yung pinag-uusapan natin dito eh. We're talking about our sovereignty. Sovereignty yan natin. And our sovereignty has no price tag. Hindi na po tayo kailangang lusubin or anything eh. Kalikutin lang nila yung power grid natin. Just imagine, anyone who's listening now, and anyone who's saying na wala pupuntahan itong pinag-uusapan natin na to, isipin nyo lang, 1 linggo, 2 linggo, 1 buwan wala tayong kuryente. Madali po yung sinasabi nila eh. Sasabihin nila, I'm guaranteeing it, I'm guaranteeing it. Pag nangyari na po, asan tayo lahat?
I wish to request Attorney Matibag to please enlighten us what is ESCADA, what is NARI, and kindly correlate their significance to each other.
Well, yung SCADA po, thank you po, no? Yung SCADA is the system. Yung po yung, that's generic, yung parang yun yung that is supervisory control and data gathering na ginagawa po nila. No? Yung NARI po, that is the brand of the equipment, hardware, software, na nilagay nung pumasok po ang NGCP. Before that, ang nandun po is GE, tsaka ABB. Bago pa po lahat yan, bago lahat yung mga system na yan, nilagay nila yung NARI. Kaya nung pinag-uusapan natin yung problema ng China, kaya po lumalabas yan, kaya may suspecha tayo. Dahil, kagaya ng explanation ko po, ulitin ko po kanina, ang cellphone natin, to iPhone, this is the hardware. But this is run by a software, iOS. Kayo po ba naniniwala na yung nilalagay nyo dyan, hindi nakikita dun nung gumagawa? Knowing that ang NARI is proprietary. May source code po yan. Kanina sinabi, nasa kanila raw yung source code. Parang yung election po, since mag-election, COMELEC, may source code dyan. Nakikita ng COMELEC yan. Alam po yan ng COMELEC. Bakit nilagay yung NARI? Nung tiningnan po namin kung ano yung NARI, is a state-owned company of China. Na sila provider po ng mga equipment, as intelligence equipment, military po. Kasama po doon sa mga military grade po. In fact, when we do the research, lumabas sa website nila noong December 2019, lumabas doon sa website nila na sinasabi pa nila na 100% they control the power grid of the Philippines. Nung in-raise po namin yung issue na yan on the next hearing, wala na po yung website. Binura na yung nakalagay na yon. Pero meron po kami noon. In fact, we provided the Senate. I think meron din pong kopya rito dahil nagiring din dito.
Attorney Matibag, if I may interrupt.
Opo.
That publication, correct me if I'm wrong, is the same printout that we flashed during the last hearing.
That
Do
is
you
correct
confirm
po.
that?
That is correct. Sa website po, lifted from the website of NARI.
So you confirm that from the website of, is it not the State Grid China Corporation's publication and not NARI?
NARI publication po yun, and NARI is a state-owned company, the same as State Grid of China, a state-owned company of China.
I understand. So NARI is a subsidiary of State Grid China
They are
Corporation.
separate company po. If we are familiar with the ownership sa China, alam nyo, mga state-owned po yan, mga government-owned. Parehas po sila. And when you research doon sa website, noon nga, sa website ng NARI, lumalabas doon, they supply military intelligence, mga equipment na parehas ng ginagamit po sa atin. Ngayon, yung pong data gathering, ang tanong ko nga, anybody can answer po siguro, educate me. Kayo po ba naniniwala yung cellphone nyo, yung mga nakalagay dyan na data, mga pinapasok nyo dyan, hindi alam nung gumawa nito? Hindi ba pag nalock nga to, pwede ka nga mag-message, sasabi ka nga ron, mabubuksan mo.
For the enlightenment of the Filipino people who are watching us, Attorney Matibag, you mentioned about iOS.
Opo.
No? So let me borrow your term. Would you confirm if I would say that NARI is similar to being the iOS of SCADA?
Tama po, kasi yung hardware and software, parehas pong NARI. I think they can confirm that. Ayun, sinasabi nila, nasa kanila yung source code. Then I go back to go to the next level. Sabi nila may audit. Question, meron po bang cyber audit na naganap? Nandoon daw yung NICA. I know that eh. Kaya po sila pumayag dyan. They were ordered by the Senate at that time, papasukin, mag-imbestiga, pumasok. Ginawa nila yon. Hindi kasama Transco. At my time.
Attorney, I appreciate your generosity of information, but
Opo.
let's do this one at a
Okay
time
po. Sige po.
for us to be followed by the viewing Filipino people.
Sige
This is
po.
highly technical and even myself find it really difficult to absorb.
Opo.
Let's start with, what does SCADA stands for?
Is the supervisory control and data acquisition.
How about NARI? What
Yung
does it
NARI po
stand
is a
for?
brand. It's a brand.
Yeah,
Parang
but it is an
iPhone.
acronym. What does NARI stands for?
NARI. Wala po sa website.
Anyone
nila eh.
from NGCP? Because according to you,
yun.
this is an equipment which you are using in the operation of NGCP.
Nanjing Automation Research Institute.
Did you say Nanjing?
Opo.
Nanjing
Automation
Research Institute.
Opo.
Okay. Following your statement that NARI is the iOS of SCADA,
Opo.
would it be correct to say that this system can be controlled remotely,
100%
similar
po.
to my Apple?
100% po,
Phone.
pwede. Because there was already, may nangyari na po na may nasira noon. It was repaired remotely. From China, hindi po kailangan bumahin ng technician para pumunta rito tayusin pa yung nasira.
Alright?
Nangyari na po yan, 2 beses na.
And considering that NARI originated from Nanjing, would it be possible also that somebody from Nanjing will be operating our system SCADA here in the Philippines remote? The one operating is in Nanjing and the hardware is here, the SCADA at NGCP.
Very possible po with the technology now. 100% possible po yan. Kasi nangyayari nga po I will cite an example if you will allow me, ma'am.
Yes,
sa Ukraine, twice there was an attack, cyber attack sa power grid mismo. Napasok. Hindi po sila pumasok na may baril na pinasok pa yung control center and all. It was 3 days before na power up ulit ng Ukraine. And to find out, intelligence services doon, they found out na that is prelude already doon sa nangyayari ngayon na gera.
Kanina, Attorney Matibag, you made mention about the nature of this NARI, the company,
Opo.
that it has something to do with the military of China. Can you
Opo.
please expound on this?
Yun po yung sinabi sa website nila. Kasi they also supply military hardware.
In other words, the business of NARI is the supply of highly sophisticated
Hardware
technology,
and software po.
hardware and
For
software,
communication and data gathering.
which can be used as well by the military.
If you will allow me again, ma'am,
Yes, please.
just recently, United Kingdom, they have 15% the equipment na NARI, they remove it.
Why did they remove?
For reason of national security po. Example na lang po, hindi ba, ang Amerika, they ban TikTok. Bakit? Because sabi nila, they suspicion lang that is being used to gather data sa Amerika. Sayo nga po, nandun na mismo yung system, hardware and software. NARI, China. Nagpapatakbo, China. I may agree with Engineer Clark na sige, sa akin yung source code. Pero sino pang may alam ng source code? Tama po kayo nung sinabi nyo nung last hearing, the creature cannot rise above the creator. Tama po yun. Ako, I'm certain of this. Huwag na po tayong magtalo sinong mas Pilipino, tsaka sinong hindi Pilipino, sinong kampi sa China. Hindi. I'm stating kung ano po yung factual na nangyayari. And anybody can refute it. They may do so.
Mr. Chair, considering that the informations which are being shared to us by Attorney Matibag is indeed alarming, would it be possible for the committee to invite a representative from NARI, Nanjing Automation Research
Research Institute.
I believe this is a Chinese
Yes.
corporation.
Oh, ma'am, if you will allow me, no?
Please.
This is really, ako po natatakot. Bumubulong ako kay Chair mo na hindi na lang yung pera yung pinag-uusapan natin dito eh. We're talking about our sovereignty. Sovereignty yan natin. And our sovereignty has no price tag. Hindi na po tayo kailangang lusubin or anything eh. Kalikutin lang nila yung power grid natin. Just imagine. Anyone who's listening now and anyone who's saying na wala pupuntahan itong pinag-uusapan natin na to, isipin nyo lang, 1 linggo, 2 linggo, 1 buwan wala tayong kuryente. Madali po yung sinasabi nila eh. Sasabihin nila, I'm guaranteeing it. Pag nangyari na po, asan tayo lahat? Asan tayo lahat? UK made the move. Ako po, kaya ako nagsasalita ng ganito. May position before. I'm not talking about the commercial transaction na ng NGCP. Okay na yan. May pera, may kinikita. It's good thing. One good congressman mentioned about the Maharlika Wealth Fund. It's a sovereign wealth fund. Ang tawag niyan, sovereign wealth fund. In fact, I'm writing an article sa dyaryo. Sinulat ko yan that we must support the Maharlika Wealth Fund and invest it in transmission. Kasi total, may 20% na dapat dinisperse to the public. The reason why is hindi para kumita yung gobyerno, for me, but the reason is to protect our sovereignty. Para meron tayong magche-check ban lamang. I mean, people na nandirito, mga taga-NGCP, there are employees, there are officers. They're making their livelihood out of NGCP. We cannot fault them for defending it. If I'm on their side, baka mas malala pa yung ginagawa ko. But now I'm standing here not as a president of Transco, as an individual, as a citizen, na tinitingnan ko. What I'm telling you, totoo po yan. Kung gusto nyo, sama-sama tayo pumunta, submit it to cyber audit.
Mr. Chair, may we ask the NGCP if it is possible for them to provide us a representative from NARI?
Can reply. Attorney Paul, Attorney...
Mr. Chairman, can I pass the mic to Engineer Clark?
Mr. Chair, I believe that the question is answerable simply by a yes or a no, whether they
Yeah.
will provide a representative or not, with all due respect.
They would like, the question is, can we ask Nari to appear before this committee? Can you help us
I
to
believe we
answer
cannot.
some questions that the committee has, even in an executive session?
We'll try to ask our Chinese partners, but definitely, Mr. Chairman, at the moment, personally, I cannot. I do not even know a representative from NARI.
Okay, thank you.
Because this is a Chinese corporation. And chances are the people in NARI are all Chinese people. And that's what makes this situation so difficult for us Filipino citizens. Yes, Attorney Melvin, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, it defies logic, yung sinasabi. I apologize, pero para sa akin, hindi ka tanggap-tanggap eh. NARI is a supplier. Ibig sabihin, contractor ng NGCP yan. Hanggang ngayon, binabayaran nyo yan. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi nyo imbitahan. And they will say, kung hindi kayo mag-appear dito, tigil na namin bayad, kuha na kami ng iba na supplier. I don't know. I might be wrong. I will leave the better judgment to the honorable gentlemen and gentlewomen of this honorable committee.
Thank you. That's something that we will have to discuss and request. Because I think it does make sense that if they are your supplier, then for transparency, without going into issue of protocols, or then we can ask. Because I think there are questions. May I know...
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
if I may, I think we need an answer from them. If
Congressman-
supplier nila talaga yung NARI.
Yes, Attorney Paul, they are your supplier, correct?
Yes, sir.
They are your
Na-
supplier.
Apo.
So, binabayaran niya yan buwan-buwan.
Yeah. Sir, I would just like to clarify regarding the points being raised by Mr. Matibag. First, on the hardware.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair,
Binabayaran niyo ba buwan-buwan yan as a supplier?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay, klaro tayo.
no, sir. Not every month. Once they supply the equipment, the software, and then after decommissioning, full control and operation is with.
How about after-sales service?
You have, sir, we maintain maintenance service agreement with them. So kung
Yun.
may problem po,
Yun, may
pupunta
so may
sila.
relationship pa rin kayo.
Meron pa
Thank
rin
you.
po.
Okay, klaro rin.
Mr. Chairman, sorry again, no?
Yeah, don't
Pero
go tomorrow.
I couldn't understand bakit ang sagot ni attorney hindi niya kaya imbitahin. Meron palang working relationship sila.
Attorney.
That's why, with the answer of our technical partner, Mr. Chairman, we will endeavor that a representative from, if we can, NARI, will attend the next hearing.